High-frequency trading (HFT) often feels like the holy grail for many aspiring traders, promising lightning-fast profits driven by sophisticated algorithms and high-speed execution. However, for those of us trading from home, diving into the world of HFT can seem like an insurmountable challenge. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. First, HFT requires an infrastructure that is far beyond the typical home setup. Imagine needing servers located physically close to exchange servers just to shave milliseconds off your execution time. This is because HFT relies heavily on extremely low latency connections to exchanges. On top of that, you'd need a robust and lightning-fast internet connection, not just your average broadband, and powerful hardware with high-speed CPUs and memory. The software and algorithms involved in HFT are another major hurdle. HFT firms invest heavily in developing proprietary algorithms designed to make trading decisions in the blink of an eye. Processing real-time market data quickly and efficiently is crucial, and this requires sophisticated and often expensive software. Regulatory and capital requirements also present significant barriers. Engaging in HFT typically requires registration with regulatory bodies, which can be a complex and time-consuming process. Additionally, the significant capital required to cover potential losses and maintain positions can be daunting. For individual traders, HFT from home remains a distant dream due to these demanding requirements. However, that doesn't mean you can't engage in exciting and profitable trading activities from your home. Consider algorithmic trading as a feasible alternative. Platforms like MetaTrader or NinjaTrader allow you to develop and run your own trading algorithms, making it possible to automate your strategies without the need for the high-speed infrastructure required by HFT. Swing trading offers another attractive option. By focusing on short to medium-term trading strategies, you can make informed decisions without the need for millisecond-level execution. This approach allows you to capitalize on market movements over days or weeks rather than seconds. Lastly, if you prefer a more hands-off approach, copy trading might be just the ticket. Platforms like eToro enable you to follow and replicate the trades of experienced traders, allowing you to benefit from their expertise and strategies without having to develop your own. While the dream of high-frequency trading from home may remain out of reach for most of us, there are plenty of other exciting and accessible trading opportunities. By exploring algorithmic trading, swing trading, and copy trading, you can find a strategy that suits your resources and trading style.